Have you ever woken up puzzled after dreaming about a gold ring? Do you wonder if a gold ring in your dream signifies something deeper? In the intriguing world of dreams, a gold ring can hold many meanings. Perhaps you're curious about whether a gold ring represents fortune or misfortune in dreams. What could dreaming about a gold ring mean for your relationships or personal journey? Are you eager to unlock the mysteries behind the symbolism of a gold ring in your dreams? It's fascinating to consider that dreaming of a gold ring could symbolize commitment fears, indicating you might feel trapped or hesitant about a relationship or obligation. Just as a gold ring is an emblem of commitment, its presence in your dreams might reflect an underlying apprehension about sealing a deal or making a promise. Are you feeling cornered? Are you doubting a decision? The dream could be your subconscious nudging you to address these fears. Moving on, the gold ring might also represent a financial burden. Gold, being an expensive metal, could signify costly commitments or obligations in your waking life. Are you worried about a big-ticket purchase? Are you dreading an impending expense? The dream could be your mind's way of processing these financial anxieties. Now let's delve a little deeper. A gold ring in your dream could also indicate betrayal or broken promises. The ring, a symbol of trust and fidelity, turning up in your dream might suggest a breach of trust or a promise gone sour. Are you sensing deceit in your personal or professional relationships? Are you feeling let down by someone close to you? The dream might be mirroring these feelings of mistrust and disappointment. Lastly, the dream of a gold ring might signal unfulfilled desires or unattainable goals. Like the elusive pot of gold at the end of a rainbow, the ring could symbolize something you desire but can't reach. Are you feeling inadequate? Are you disappointed about not achieving a particular goal? The dream might be a reflection of these feelings, reminding you to reassess your aspirations and set realistic goals. In conclusion, while a gold ring might often be seen as a positive symbol, in dreams it can also carry darker connotations. It can symbolize commitment fears, financial burdens, betrayal, and unfulfilled desires. Remember, these interpretations are subjective and depend greatly on your personal experiences and feelings. Seeing a gold ring in a dream could indicate betrayal or broken promises, reflecting mistrust in personal or professional relationships. The dream might signal unfulfilled desires or unattainable goals, symbolizing feelings of inadequacy or disappointment in one's achievements. On a brighter note, a gold ring in your dream could signify eternal love or deepening bonds in relationships, representing unity and commitment. Isn't it fascinating how our subconscious mind communicates? It's like a secret language, and we're all trying to be interpreters. So, let's dive into the positive interpretations of gold ring dreams. Imagine dreaming of a gold ring gleaming under the soft light, perhaps on your finger or presented to you by someone special. This could symbolize eternal love. It's as if your subconscious is whispering in your ear saying, "Hey, there's a bond here that's as enduring as gold." The dream could be reflecting a relationship that's deepening, a unity that's growing stronger, or a commitment that's solidifying. This doesn't necessarily mean romantic love. It could also signify deep friendships or familial bonds. Then, we come to prosperity. You see, gold has long been a symbol of wealth and abundance. So if you're dreaming of a gold ring, it might just be a sign of upcoming financial gains or stability. It's like your subconscious is giving you a pat on the back, reassuring you that prosperity is on the horizon. Moving on, let's talk about self-worth and confidence. A gold ring in your dream could be a reflection of your growing self-esteem. It could signify that you're recognizing your own value, just like the worth of gold. It's as if your subconscious is handing you a gold ring and saying, "This is you. You're valuable. You're strong. You're golden." Lastly, let's consider new opportunities or beginnings. A gold ring, with its circular shape, is a perfect symbol for cycles and continuity. So if a gold ring appears in your dreams, it could be signaling the start of an exciting new chapter or venture in your life. Imagine your subconscious is giving you a nudge, encouraging you to embrace change and seize the opportunities coming your way. Dreaming of a gold ring could symbolize self-worth and confidence, reflecting personal growth or recognition of one's value. The dream may also signify a new opportunity or beginning, suggesting the start of an exciting venture or chapter in life. So, next time you dream of a gold ring, remember, It's not just a dream, it's a conversation with your subconscious. A conversation that's as precious and profound as a gold ring. Now that we've explored the intriguing world of gold ring dreams, we want to hear from you. If you enjoyed this content, don't hesitate to like, share, and subscribe. Feel free to share your dream experiences in the comments. Thank you for joining us on this journey of self-discovery through dreams. Remember, dreams are the touchstones of our characters. So, keep dreaming and keep exploring.